Okay, we're heading to the other Taft here on Pickerel just down the street. So we're looking at this one right here. We were just in this one right here. Now we're going to this one right here. Big yard. This will be done by the end of the year, 2022. I like the light in here. It's nice. This is going to be really a huge backyard. The neighbor has a big yard, and the model here also has a big yard. And you can see the Liberty Hill Middle School, Santa Rita Middle School, is right over the fence. So a great feature. Be an island here, just like the other one I just walked through. And nothing behind. And there's the school. Nice wide yard. And you've already seen the layout, so just to give you a perspective. I like the light in this house. It's really cool. Study there. This too will be done probably before the end of the year. So, all right, on to the next one. Okay, so we're right in front of the cul-de-sac home that I just showed you, and that's really a good location. It's going to have open space behind it, which is awesome. Down here, the next one. It's on number 100 on Banyan Drive. So we're going to go race down there and take a look. And then we've got these other two that also back up to school property, which is great. Never have a neighbor. And that's it for our Taft selection. Let's go take a look. So one of the things I like about this particular area with these Tafts that we're able to get at such a low price is it's surrounded by a bunch bigger homes. Most of the homes going up to 2,800 square feet on larger lots. What's unique about this home, however, is that it's on a corner lot and a huge lot. Also have an association fence on the side, so therefore you won't have to pay for fence replacement or maintenance on that side. Okay. All right. Same plan. Garage, coat closet. This one's in drywall. Study here. White cabinets, that's pretty. And a really nice yard. Love the separation between these houses. Covered patio. There's really no upgrades that they didn't put in this. I put every upgrade possible in this house. Big yard. Good separation. Corner lot. I always, as I teach in my seminars, I always like to have something unique about the house, the lot or the house if possible. And one of the things I like is corners, green belts, large yards, not too large, because we don't want to burden the occupants with a lot of lawn to take care of, but good enough. And some people really do like large yards, but we'll keep them medium size maybe a little oversized. Don't like too small though. Too small of a yard can be a turnoff and bad for resale. Okay, Taft number 2. Okay, another Taft floor plan. This one faces east, so the back faces west. It does back up to the school property, so it's going to offer some privacy for sure. Beautiful tile floors. Wow. Exquisite granite. Nice. So, scores tied. I can see it. Middle school football. Nice sunset views, covered patio, big backyard with no neighbors behind, just ranch land. Convenient. I like this one a lot. The gray cabinets are gorgeous. This one's almost done. It's a beautiful sunset view. And this yard is amazing. A lot nicer than my first house. Like it's got high ceilings all the way throughout. All the bedrooms also have high ceilings, so that's good. 9 foot. A study, of course. Ready to go. Very cool. Let's going. Got some buyers looking at properties here. Okay, so here's the cul-de-sac on Pickerel. And we have one more Taft to look at. I've got that's Amy and Andrew's house. Cul-de-sac lot. I like that a lot. For the kids to play in. There's wet paint. Ooh. Wow. Dark brown tile floors. Interesting. Power's on. This one's looking good. So also backs up to school property. Good wide yard. Not as deep as the other one, but gorgeous sunsets for sure. All right, all in all, some pretty cool plans. Good prices for sure. Call me as soon as possible, 512-223-5626. Have a great day. Bye.